Welcome to a quick video guide for the Francis L. Dean & Associates Camps and Clinics Insurance Program. If at any time you have any further questions, don't be afraid to reach out. Our email and phone number should be at the bottom of the page. My application has already been filled out to make it easy to follow along. This example application will be for a small camp for a short amount of time, but you can use this guide for almost any policy. In business name, you should enter the name of your business. If you don't have a business name, then enter your first and last name. Next, enter the contact information for whoever is purchasing the insurance. Now enter the mailing address for the person buying the insurance. If your address isn't the same as the address of the studio, select No to the "Is this mailing address also a camp, clinic, or conference location where events will be held?" question and add the address of the studio. Selecting your coverage should be self-explanatory. Read the notes below the box listing restricted sports and activities before filling it out. The general aggregate amount is the maximum amount of money the insurer will pay during the length of your policy. To learn more about the details of general aggregate, or to see which premium rate is correct for you, please reach out to an agent. The $2 million general aggregate is a good rule of thumb for smaller, shorter events, and the minimum requirement for some landlords and venues. A larger event may require a higher general aggregate. Again, please reach out to an agent if you require more information. In underwriting information, you should read each question carefully before continuing to the next section. Again, please fully understand this section. The total number of campers and staff doesn't have to be exact. We know organizers won't have an exact number, so a reasonable estimate, preferably off historical data, can work here. This number can be adjusted at any time by contacting customer support. An important note is that this number can be easily adjusted higher, but not lower. Non-owned auto liability coverage is used to protect against issues arising from hired automobiles. Contact your agent if you need more information. And other additional coverages. These are optional additions that may be required by some venues. An often overlooked offer is the medical expense benefit. It's inexpensive and aids in the event of a spectator becoming injured, regardless of your liability of the injury. We're finally ready to add additional insureds. If you don't have the information of all your additional insureds now, or another one comes up, you can simply contact customer support and get your policy quickly appended. And as easy as that, you're done filling out your application. If everything went correctly, you should be able to see your total now. If you're ready to pay, simply hit Proceed to Payment Options at the bottom of the page. If you don't want to pay yet, but want to save your information, you can hit Save Quote, and a link will be sent to the email that you entered at the start of the application. That email will be valid for 30 days. We hope this guide was helpful. Have a great day.